आपणाक विश्वास आसा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीची बरोबर सरकार मायनिंग प्रश्नार योग्य तो सुटावो काडटले। या संदर्भात आपल्या मतदारसंघातल्या मायनिंग पीडित लोकांची हांव भेट घेवन तांचे प्रश्न आयकून सुटावो काडपाक यत्न करतलो म्हण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
I am confident that the BJP will find a way forward. Either way, for me, mining continuing was a very important issue, but that is being shut down yesterday. But I am confident the government will find some way to restart mining in the state of Goa. I think right from the Prime Minister's office to everybody is aware of the implication and impact on the people dependent on mining. Now the issue is how do you take this forward to address the problem of the mining dependence. I come from a mining belt. I am concerned. I am having a meeting of the mining dependents in my constituency in every ward, especially in places like Pisule, Honda. People have trucks, people have barges. But I am confident that the BJP will find a way forward, along with our allies.
What is the immediate solution at the moment?
Immediate solution they are discussing. No, Vijay Sardesai, Sudhin Dawekar, Francis D'Souza, and Mr. Gadkari is also coming here on 20th, I am told. So all of them will sit together. See, all of them. One is a representative of the BJP. One is of Goa Forward. One is of MGP. I belong to the BJP, and I am confident that they will find some way to restart mining in the state of Goa. And this cannot be done just by us here. It has to be an integrated effort between the central government and the state government. And I am confident the Prime Minister, knowing all these issues, will help our people of Goa.